The jury returned a verdict that included $2.5 million in compensatory damages, some of which were lost wages, most of which was non-economic damages, and then went back out on the punitive damages aspect of it and returned with $1 million punitive damages verdict, apportioned in an interesting way: 250,000 assessed against the drunk driver and 750,000 assessed against the employer, which was frankly something we were concerned about on appeal. It was an interesting apportionment concerning that. It's not what we would have guessed for sure. We were not surprised about a punitive damages verdict. We were surprised about the apportionment of it.
Wow. So the total verdict was around 3.5 million?
3.5 million.
Wow, that's absolutely phenomenal. I mean, you don't have to share it if you don't want to, but what was the highest offer?
Not close to that. We were right to do what we did.
Yeah, absolutely.
It helped having a steadfast client who was proud, not in the bad way, but proud of what he'd done. He knew he was telling the truth. He knew he was right. He knew that they had done wrong, and he was not going to sacrifice anything out of concern. He trusted his fellow man, trusted the jurors, trusted us, for which we're grateful, to go in there and put his case on. And he wasn't afraid of the process. Probably everyone in our industries had lots of folks who are nervous about the process and who are not able to withstand some of the risks of trial, once there's a half decent offer on the table. So they picked their own guy to do this to.
Well, I mean, congrats to your client for, sticking to his guns, but also, he's fortunate to have had, great lawyers in yourself and Corey Ford to have represented him, to be capable and qualified to do what you guys did. Because that even with as great of a client as you have and the great facts, I mean, that is a really an unusual and exceptionally amazing verdict to pull out for a client. So it's really, I love hearing stories like that.